Prottay #1 Garments ERP. Prottay ERP. Integrate with your business goals to deliver real outcomes in weeks, not months. We have taken 5 years understanding apparel manufacturing specific needs and developed a system finely tuned to your business. Prottay ERP offers merchandising, planning, procurement, inventory, finance and accounts, commercial, production, HR and payroll, seamless cross-modular interfacing, uniform access all over the globe, high integrity and consistency, robust security. Prottay ERP facilitates you with a wide variety of customizations. It alleviates deployment challenges. You can deploy it on cloud as well as on premises. Now it's time to finally do more and create a significant difference using Prottay ERP in your RMG business. Request customized demo today. NewGen at newgen-bd.com. www.newgen-bd.com. A sister concern of Babylon Group.